Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a great week, or hope you're already having a good start of the weekend. And welcome to a new video on Bonk. All right, wanted to do a video here. I think we are relatively bullish here. I mean, in the end, it's like Bonk itself. If you look at the 12-hour time frame, it's actually somewhat more of a consolidation, which we are in. But you can see the early signs of the EMAs shifting up here. What we saw earlier this morning, which is also one of the key reasons why I wanted to cover Bonk, is that we actually saw a lot of momentum for the Solana ecosystem. All right, so it has gone a little bit right now. Like Bonk is still one of the best performers in the last 7 hours, but you really saw like right here, you saw all the big ones rallying up, right? So then you saw Boom, Jito, Floki, Bonk, which Floki is a bit of an outlier, but Solana, Yup, Jupiter. You saw all of them performing, and I do think I am bullish on Solana. Now, the big question right now for Bonk is, before we get into the technicals, like you have these fundamentals for Solana, which are bullish. Like Solana against Bitcoin broke out. There was a lot of momentum pouring into Solana. Solana in general is very close to getting a bullish breakout above a key resistance level. So then if Solana breaks out, I'm pretty certain that Bonk will rally. But then Solana is close to breaking out, but Solana is still dependent on what Bitcoin does. And Bitcoin is not looking that amazing right now, all right? It's definitely not looking bearish, but Bitcoin also doesn't have a lot of momentum. So that's kind of the dilemma we're in, right? Do we trust the bullish momentum for Solana more than we trust this uncertain market circumstances for Bitcoin? And that's the question. And then we have to get to Bonk. And then if you look at Bonk, you see that the technical structure is slowly shifting to be bullish, but we also still have a major resistance level right here at 2850, which was enough to keep us down the last time around. And then you look at this and you see that we actually gained a lot of momentum earlier this morning, lost it all, gaining it back again right now. Bonk is a very strong performer. So overall, the main thing I would do right now, like I am positioned in Bonk. I bought some Bonk, so I might be biased, all right, just so you know. But I do think it's most likely will break out, right? You can see that we have started some sort of an uptrend since Monday. I am convinced about the Solana breakout. So we might have some sort of a pullback, like we might have to pull back into the trend once more. But if I would have to choose between telling you that with the upcoming momentum for Solana in bullish market circumstances, that this resistance will either hold us and do something like this, or that will find resistance and eventually break out, I would say it's much more likely that will break out. Now, if you really want to be sure, I would just wait for the breakout itself, all right? Because then you have confirmation, and it is such a significant level that if we break above that level right now, like if we really get to close above that, and there's no some sort of an external crash going on, right? That there's no war starting or whatever. Then I think it's fair to say that like if we get that breakout, we'll rally up higher. So if you really want to wait, like my main price target is still 3,100, but ultimately we can get up all the way to 3,500, and who knows, maybe higher. So that's what I expect. All right, I expect the bullish breakout. Does that mean you should buy right now? It's up to you. If you want to be safe, then wait for the breakout. If you want to be bold, then you could enter a small position right now, right here. That's up to you. Overall, I'm bullish. It's dependent on Solana though, so keep that in mind as well. If Solana doesn't break out, and if Solana really starts, especially if Solana against Bitcoin starts to get bearish again, then my opinion on Bonk will probably change, right? But as the situation stands right now, I think this is most likely. And those are my thoughts, and that's what you'll have to do it with right now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.